Hello friends, welcome back to the Crafty channel. If you are viewing us for the first time, you are highly welcome. Please consider subscribing to my channel and also hitting on the notification bell to be updated anytime I upload a new video. To my returning subscribers, I say a big thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. So in today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to cut and sew a turtleneck collar. That's high neck collar. So let's get started. To start with, I'll be drafting it on this interfacing first. So what I'm going to do now is to draw a baseline down the interfacing here. So as you know, our neck is not straight. I can see that most people used to make that mistake. They always cut this neck collar straight, and it's not supposed to be straight. Our neck is round. So after marking this starting line, I'll be placing my curved ruler here, but before then I'll go in by 2.5 inches. This interfacing is folded into two. So I'll be using this curved ruler to draw a curved line like so. So next, I'll be using this basic bodice pattern to create the neck. So you'll be measuring from the end, you fold the neck like so. Then you measure around the neck. Here I got 12. So all around 12 plus 12 is 24. I'm just using this for illustration. So 24 divided by 2 is 12 inches. So you'll be marking 12 inches starting from this end here. This is where the 12 inches end. And make sure that you curve this line well. So let's remark it again. 12 inches. Okay, the 12 inches is somewhere here, it's close. And then on this curved line, you'll be marking the height of the collar. And I'm using 2.5 inches. You mark 2.5 inches all around like so. Next, you'll be connecting these lines. Then you'll be connecting this point to this. I'll be cutting it out and then place it on a fabric. I'm using this fabric for the illustration. So let me cut the collar first. So this is my collar. You can see that the collar is not straight. This is the front. So the next thing to do is to place it on my fabric. This is the good side of the fabric, and I'll place it on the wrong side of the fabric. You will place the sticking part on the fabric like so, you see. So I'll just cut it out here like so. Then the next thing to do is I'll be taking it to my ironing board and then stick it down and then come back and show you the next step. So I've ironed it on the fabric. So you can see I stick it on it now. So the next thing to do is to add 1/2 inch all around the pattern. So this interfacing is the pattern now. This is what we are using as the pattern and also as our interfacing. So I'm going to add 1/2 inch all around the interfacing and come back and show you. So I finished marking the 1/2 inch around all the collar. So what I'm going to do next is to cut it out and then cut it on the lining. So this is our collar. I'll be using this piece to cut a lining for it. So I'll be turning it to the good side. This is the wrong side. Good side facing good side. Let me hold it with pin so that it will not be moving around. I'll cut the lining now. So now I'll be taking it to my machine and sew on the upper side. I'll sew it. You see, you sew it exactly under the interfacing. You sew it like that. You sew it all the way to the end. Then you sew this one to the end. Then I'll come back and show you the next thing to do. So this is my collar. I stitch it on the neck region and turn it, and then I iron the 1/2 inch on the edges, as you can see, and I iron it on the lining too. So the next thing is to get my bodice. Let me open it a bit so that I can be free. So what I'll be doing now is to hold my bodice like this, fold it in half, make sure all the lines are lined, and then I will notch the middle. So the next thing I will do is to find the midpoint of this collar so that I know where I'm facing to the neck. I'll mark it here also. So I'll be placing the lining part with the mark here, this yellow mark. I'll be placing it good side to the wrong side of the neck. I'll be sewing all around the neck to the end, then I'll turn it over like so. I'll give it a stitch on top and come and show you the finishing look. So guys, you see, this is the finishing look, looking very beautiful. You can see that the collar will last exactly on the neck region, and it falls like it. It's not straight. If you cut it straight, you see that the collar will not rest. The collar will just open in a funny way, but this one, it laid down perfectly. So this is how it looks. This is the outcome of our collar. So this is it. This is the back, because there will be zip at the back. So guys, if you find this tutorial helpful, leave a comment down, and also give it a like, and share my channel to your loved ones. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit on the notification bell to be updated anytime I upload a new video. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.